Hey everybody, Caleb here with Oasis Bath Solutions. I've got another really cool bathroom remodeling project to share with you that we finished up. This one is in Burien, South Seattle area, really close to SeaTac Airport. And it's this really pretty hall bathroom. And we put in this custom vanity, dark wood cabinets, quartz countertops with the undermount sink. You can see it's got the really nice pop-up drain, lets you drain it so much easier, doesn't get clogged. Waterfall faucet there where the water just pours out of the top, and we installed this really cool lighted mirror for them. So it's got all these different lighting settings on it. You can change the lighting tones in the bathroom. It's so cool, guys. It's even got different colors that the lights can change. Beautiful new luxury vinyl tile marble floor in there, and this really pretty walk-in shower. So this one has a full setup of our hammerhead shower system in it. So it's got all metal valve, all metal slide bar, and then a multi-function handheld. Again, all metal construction, brass and stainless steel. You can see different functions you can flip through, and it goes up and down on that slide bar. Beautiful stain resistant brushed nickel finish on it, and just really the highest quality fixtures you can get. None of the hardware store brands that you see all the time come anywhere close to the Hammerhead brand quality. Again, it's all metal and brass construction, so there's none of those cheap plastic internals that break over time. And on this one, it's a traditional, what we call a Euro style shower door. So both of the doors slide, and it's got a frame on it. But this one still has the thick glass. Here at Oasis, we try to basically have everything we do be the thick glass. That way, when you're opening the door, it doesn't slide and rattle on you. Now with this shower, it's got also the really low step-in height. You can see it's just about 3 or 4 inches. So really low step-in into the shower. And then on the custom shower base, you can see the marble color on the pan is the same marble color on the wall. So it's this really nice, pretty custom look. And the top has an anti-slip texture. So that way you don't have to put any of the mats down that are really difficult to clean. And really durable finish on the top. We threw a grab bar in there, 2 actually. One on the back wall, one on the side, just to help with getting in and getting around the shower. Some really nice marble matched corner shelves in there as well, and just a really nice put together shower with a lot of really good premium fixtures and finishes built to last a lifetime. You'll see, going over to the vanity, the drawers have the soft close on them, and really pretty stone top. You can see beautiful kind of a Carrara Calcutta marble pattern on there. Custom cut the backsplash around the door trim and the wall build up there. Really pretty work from the installers. And yeah, beautiful shower and full bathroom remodel by Oasis Bath Solutions. Unlike a lot of companies, we do more than just showers and tubs. We do the whole bathroom. And so if you're looking for the best workmanship at a very reasonable price, give us a call. Oasis Bath Solutions. Thanks so much.